Hey guys, so today I wanted to review this little ring light that I got from my phone. I'm so excited for it, guys, because I've been wanting a ring light since forever, and I think this is the perfect one. It's small, it's compact, you can take it wherever you go, and it's super easy to put on your phone. So you basically just clip it on like this, and this is how it looks. I love that it has 3 different colors. Let's go ahead and check them out. So it comes with the warm/cool color-ish, and then it comes with the cool color, and it also comes with the warm color, which is awesome. I love it. I thought it was just gonna be one color, but it turns out it's 3 colors, so I love that. I'm going to show you how it actually looks from a phone point of view, especially when you're in a dark place. So let's go check that out. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and test out the lights. This is me with no light on. We're gonna go ahead and press the first light, which is the cool/warm light. And then we're going to press the cool light. So this is the cool light. And then the third light is the warm light. So this is the warm light. All right, guys, so what do we think? If I'm being honest, it's not as strong as I had hoped for. I like my lights to be bam in your face strong, but some people do like them a little bit more dimmer, so I would definitely recommend it to anybody who does. It also comes with its own USB charger, so you can just charge it whenever it needs to be charged. So overall, guys, the light is not as strong as I had hoped for, but it does give you that extra light that you need whenever you're in dark places.